Mathling? Oh my gosh, what are you doing here?
I'm sorry to bother you, but this is kind of embarrassing. I think my spaceship just ran out of gas right around the corner. Would you happen to have any gas laying around, like spaceship gas?
I don't think I have spaceship gas. I've got lawnmower gas, if that helps with anything. Are you sure that's the problem?
Not sure that's a problem, but my gas gauge is broken. So I wrote down how much I used, and I know my tank can hold 500 gallons, and I filled it up before I left.
Let's figure this out. I don't think you're going to find spaceship gas in Ohio.
Okay, let's do that, because I really want to get back home. It's almost 9 o'clock. It's getting pretty late.
These are really good records, Mathling. Now we can figure out how much gas you've used. We'll add up the numbers. And since they're decimals, we're going to have to line up the decimal points. We can rewrite the numbers, make sure we line up the decimal points. Add them up. Then we can fill in that empty space with zeros. And when we do that, we'll get 438 and 35/100ths. That means you didn't run out of gas. If your tank holds 500 gallons, you've only used a little more than 400 gallons. You know what that means. Let's fix this thing. Got it. See you later. Tell everyone I said hi. Uh-oh. Oh no. Uh-oh. Hey, Mathling. Hold on a minute. Put me down. Please put me down. I don't like this. I'm afraid of heights. And who's gonna teach the kids? Well, hopefully they have Ubers in space, because I'm gonna need a ride back home. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you when I get back to Earth. But I do have one more question for you before you go. Does Mathling even have enough gas to get back to her planet? Check back through the video for clues to figure it out. And then answer in your math journal and share it with your teacher for feedback. I sure hope she does. Don't forget to subscribe to catch other fun and slightly unusual math videos. Thanks. See you next time.